Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send your location to a contact on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on Chats. This will bring up your conversation list where you can see all your recent messages and contacts. From your chat list, tap on the contact you want to send your location to. This will open up your conversation thread with that person. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This plus icon gives you access to various attachment options like photos, files, and importantly, your location. After tapping the plus icon, you'll see several options appear. In the bottom right corner, tap on Location. Signal will then ask for permission to access your location, so tap Continue to proceed. This step is necessary because the app needs to access your device's GPS to determine where you are. Now here's where you get to choose how much location information you want to share. You'll see two options presented to you, precise and approximate. Choose precise location if you want the contact to receive your exact location. This is useful when you need someone to find you at a specific spot. Choose approximate if you'd rather share a general area, which is better for privacy when you don't need to give away your exact coordinates. Next, you'll need to grant permission for how Signal can access your location. You'll see options like while using the app or only this time. Select your preferred option based on how you want the app to handle location access going forward. This gives you control over when Signal can track your location. After setting your permissions, tap the plus icon again in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Location again in the bottom right. Now you'll see a preview of the location you're about to send. To confirm that this is the correct location, tap the check icon at the bottom right. Finally, to send your location to your contact, tap the Send button in the bottom right corner. Your location will now be shared with your contact through Signal, allowing them to see where you are based on the precision level you chose. And that's it. You've successfully sent your location to a contact on Signal. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.